How to turn on alarm on Windows 10. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on alarm on Windows 10 in easy fast way. So first thing you do is you go to the search bar here down below and you need to write alarm like this, and you will have this option that says alarms and clock, and then you click on it, and as you can see now you have the timer here and you have the alarm right here. You can turn it on as you can see, and it's very easy, and hope this video was helpful for you. And also you can add an alarm from here, and yeah, as you can see you can choose the time you want from here, choose the days or whatever you want. And that's it guys, hope this video is helpful for you, and see you later in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.